From the descent of man till the modern day, the major driving force of innovation and creation has been science. And unfortunately, throughout history, science has been doubted, questioned, and subdued just for the sake of mindless propaganda. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Imagination Station, a place that has the answers to all your questions. Fortunately, I am a firm believer in science. And just like science, believe in facts and evidence instead of conspiracies and assumptions. In spite of that, we'll be looking at some people who believe that their misconceptions and religious values are the ultimate truth and consider logical arguments and science as phony. So without further ado, let's look into some theories that want to prove that science is a hoax. Quickly grab the tickets by subscribing to the channel and all aboard. Number 1. Vaccine causes autism and other sicknesses. If you look upon the internet, vaccines and autism, you will be bombarded with articles and accounts of people who believe that getting themselves or their children vaccinated leads to more sickness than health. Developed after the publication in Britain in 1998 of a fraudulent paper by discredited former Dr. Andrew Wakefield, the anti-vax movement has been promoted by personalities like Rob Schneider, Donald Trump, and even Jim Carrey. I'll give you some examples. One Facebook user commented, "Once you realize all the diseases are man-made, to sell vaccines for profit is when you can see the truth behind them. Look at all the tribes in the Amazon who have never been vaccinated. They seem to be doing just fine." Yeah, they made the plague, typhus, pox and all the other diseases in the Middle Ages to sell vaccines hundreds of years later. Makes sense, for sure. Another tweet read, "If vaccines are healthy, you could put it in a spoon and eat it. Try it, you'll die. Even broccoli is healthy. Put it in a syringe and inject in your bloodstream. Try it, you'll die." This one is my personal favorite. A Facebook user asked if there is a connection between diabetes and vaccine, and a user claims, "Do you have type 1? That's listed as a side effect. In fact, before vaccine, kids never had diabetes." Did you spot the lie? Diabetes is one of the earliest diseases known to man. We have found Egyptian manuscripts from 1500 BC describing diabetes. Number 2. Global warming is a myth. Jokes apart, guys, this is one topic that involves not only us human beings but also all of the life in Earth as a whole. In spite of all the evidence all around us, the people still refuse to accept that climate change is real and are doing nothing to stop it or slow it down. Melting glaciers, warming oceans, mass extinctions, shrinking ice caps, droughts, floods, hurricanes, diseases, ozone holes, pandemics, all are screaming and saying that our climate is changing. We need to do something. But still, there are these people. Tweeted by Mr. Donald Trump, the concept of global warming was created by and for the Chinese in order to make US manufacturing non-competitive. Another newspaper article read, "Global warming data faked by the government to fit climate change fictions. Global warming is like a unicorn, it doesn't exist. The facts are that it's all fake. The earth is fine. God made it to renew itself. Global warming is PC nonsense. The climate crisis is a lie, a hoax, a fraud, and affront to science and logic, a travesty, an economic and social sinkhole, a fake, phony, baloney, preposterous fabrication, a boondoggle, a massive waste of time and money, a pain in the arse, and it's really silly too. Just look at this and tell yourself again, climate change isn't real. Ice shelves are not melting. Ozone hole is not there. Animals aren't dying. All are very real, dude, and they'll kill us eventually." Number 3. The earth is flat. Now this is what gets me rolling on floor laughing. Turns out that there's a group of people that claim themselves to be the Flat Earth Society, and what they believe in is that the earth is actually a flat surface and the spherical earth that we know of is a lie perpetuated by NASA. Emerging first in the 19th century England, the flat earth has gained a huge support on YouTube in recent years. The conspiracy theories hold that planet Earth is not a sphere and that evidence has been faked or suppressed to hide the fact that it is instead a disk or a single infinite plane. They believe that the Arctic is at the center and Antarctica is a 150-foot tall wall of ice around the rim. which is guarded by NASA to prevent people from climbing over and falling off the disk. Day and night is explained by saying that the sun and the moon are spheres measuring 32 miles that move in circles on a plane 3000 miles above the earth and illuminate different portions of earth like spotlights. With all these evidence, I am pretty sure that they must have imagined dinosaurs going extinct in this way. Number 4. There is no gravity. Another theory courtesy of the Flat Earth Society is that there is no gravity. According to them, objects do not get attracted towards the earth. Instead, the disk accelerates upwards at the speed of 32 feet per second squared, driven up by a mysterious force called the dark energy. Currently, there is a disagreement among the flat earthers whether Einstein's theory of relativity would allow Earth to continue accelerating infinitely without eventually surpassing the speed of light. Apparently, Einstein's theory of relativity still holds in this alternate version of reality. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do consider subscribing to the channel if you like such science content, and hit that like button if you like the video, and do consider sharing if you want your friends to be smart too. I wanted to thank you for the support that you gave me in the last 2 videos. And remember, this is the imagination station. It will be what you imagine it to be. So I want your comments and your suggestions on what should I make on the next video. I read all your comments and I reply to all of them, and I'll try to make videos on as many suggestions as I can. And all the suggestions that I take, I'll give you a shout out at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a great day. Keep learning.